What's up guys, this is just a really quick how-to tip video for those of you that own the Studio Buds from Beats and you may be trying to sync these up with a device that's not an iPhone or an Android phone, because if you are using those types of devices, it's very easy to sync this up. You basically just lift open the cap and on your iPhone or Android device it should show up on the screen of your phone and be ready to connect to it. But if you want to use this with any other devices like a laptop or some other device that uses Bluetooth, you're going to need to know the secret hidden button, which is kind of tough for some people to find. So if you notice, when you flip it open, if you look right there, there's actually a little tiny button. It's not that easy to spot. So basically what you do is you hold that button down and you see the light on the front of the device. See how it's strobing? So when it gets into strobing mode, now you can go to your laptop or whatever device it is that you're trying to sync these up with, and they will show up in the list as Studio Buds. You click on them and bam, that's it, you're good to go. They are now will be synced up with your device and you don't have to do that procedure anymore. They'll work every time you open them and turn them on. It should automatically sync up with that device that you have them paired up with. And that is how you pair the Studio Buds with a non-Apple or Android device.